Okay, we told y'all we were going to put a ham in the crock pot, and that's what we're going to do now. And it's simple. We don't add anything to the crock pot. Just lay them on in there. Now, most of your hams will come with one of these little packets of stuff. We don't use it.
No,
But
we don't like it.
If you like it, want to use it, just pour right over the top.
Mm-hmm.
And we're going to put the lid on this. We're going to turn it on low for about 6.5 hours. And we'll see you then when it's done.
Good afternoon, y'all. You see my shirt? Yes, I'm cold. 24/7. That's me. Had a lady that asked why I wear a sweater all the time. That's because I stay cold. I've usually got a sweater on or long sleeves. Sometimes I'll wear the baseball length sleeves, but closer to bedtime it gets, the colder I get. So that's just a little something for y'all. Got the ham in the crock pot. I'm going to fix some sweet potatoes. And this is how my mama fixed them. She didn't cook fresh ones. She would take canned ones. And I've got this brand. And I drain almost all the juice out of it. Almost every bit of it. There'll be some in here. Because it's just too much juice if I don't drain it. These are not in heavy syrup. I know that there's cans that has the heavy syrup, but you're going to preheat your oven to 350. I'm going to get these cut up a little bit smaller. Okay, now I've got a stick of butter cut up. Again, if you want to use salted, use salted. I think I tell y'all about all the time that we buy unsalted butter because I usually salt stuff, and that just helps cut down on that because some of the food we eat is very salty, and I know. But just gonna put these like over these potatoes. Put that one right there. Yeah. Sprinkle brown sugar on them, however much you want. We're going to put these in the oven for about 30 minutes. Let them get just good and warm, hot. And then when they're done, I'm going to pull them out and put the final touch on them. And some of y'all probably already know where I'm going to with that. My Sweet Eric's favorite part. Let's see. A little bit more right there. Marshmallows. Yes, we use marshmallows. My mama always did. I have ever since I was knee-high to a grasshopper when I'd cook. But yeah, so this is, got it like that. There's still a little juice in there, but I drained, like I said, most all of that out. And they're going to go in a 350 degree preheated oven for about 30 minutes. And when they come out, then I'll commence to putting the marshmallows all on them and putting it back in the oven and let those brown up. Okay, I just took the sweet potatoes out. Now here goes my Eric's very favorite thing on them, marshmallows. I'm just going to cover the top of them with them. As many as I can fit in here. Lucy Lou, where are you woofing at? Huh? You can't have not these sweet potatoes because they got brown sugar. I don't want her eating them. I'm going to finish getting these put on, and then I'm going to put it back in the oven, and then when it's ready, I'll pull it back out and show y'all. Okay, y'all, just took them out of the oven. Eric's on his way home, so we're going to be getting the ham out of the crock pot, and of course I'll have to have him taste test everything for y'all. Here's the ham that come out of the crock pot. It's really, really moist. It's really good. Okay, here's my Sweet Eric's plate. I just warmed up other leftover stuff in the fridge.
I got three pieces together. That's why it's a little.
It's okay.
It's good.
It's always good. If
It
it's
comes
like
out. It's nice and tender and moist and yummy. Let's have sweet potatoes.
Yeah,
Hello.
I'm sure.
How are you?
Yeah. There's these sweet potatoes, y'all.
It's good. He's good. Don't mind me.
Yeah, he's gonna go ahead and eat, and that's okay. I hope y'all have had a blessed day. Remember, it's gonna be okay. And love y'all.